Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to make an icon for a folder or an application or a file or anything really. And as you can see from this, one, I'm looking forward to the Halo Reach beta and Halo Reach in general. And two, I have two items here in the middle of my desktop. One is just a PNG image and one is a folder. Now the image can be any size or shape. It really doesn't matter. Yeah, I guess it doesn't really matter. It doesn't really affect anything. But I just have a little Apple logo that I made in Photoshop a minute ago, and a little empty folder that I can use for example. And this is just a PNG. This is just a folder. And what you want to download is a little application called IMG. If I went past it by miles, IMG to ICNS. Well, an IMG equals image to ICNS, which is the icon file that Mac OS X uses. So you're going to open this up, and you can see it just has this little thing here. I'll have the download link in the description for those wondering. There's also a website you can do this with. Just drag and drop your picture into here. It'll then allow you to convert to ICNS, a folder which you could use. I prefer just using the ICNS. You can have an iPhone picture, or you can have a favicon for your website. I'm just going to click ICNS. It'll bring up this Save To dialog box and just save to your desktop. I now have an ICNS folder here, or file here. You see it has a transparent background, looks just like an icon. So we're going to close down Image to ICNS. We're going to right click on the folder and click Get Info. Now we don't need this picture anymore, so you can just delete that. Now you have this, you can see just folder, standard stuff. Now, what you want to do is you can just click and drag the ICNS thing onto the folder icon. You can see a little add button next to my cursor. Click and drag, and that will now change your folder to whatever. This can be done for files and whatever you want, really. And that's now changed. If you want to change it back, just click on the little icon that you now have here. It will then have a highlight around it in kind of a blue colour, and just hit backspace. And yeah, you have your original folder back. I don't want that, so I'll just keep it like this. So you can see now I have a little folder. One thing to keep in mind, you don't click and drag actual parts of an icon. So if you have like a really little dot as your icon, you're only going to be able to click on that really little dot. A little bit annoying, depends on how you see it. So as you can see, if I were to just click here, it just creates a drag box. Where I just click slightly above it and drag. You might be thinking, why the hell would I want that? Well, I'm currently, I only recently started, but I'm currently making a movie library just from burnt discs using a little application that came with the recent Mac Heist Nano bundle called Rip It, and I can just rip my movies. Simple, easy, really useful. So I just have my movies, and then I have like a little icon for each movie, and a little icon for my discs for each movie, which is great. I really do like that. So if you do want an icon, this works for folders, applications, files, anything. And you can have whatever you want. So yeah, thanks for watching. See you around.